Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do the Flexi Rod curls with the heat, okay? There is going to be a video of me doing the Flexi Rods without the heat, but I have done my hair in a flat iron style. I flat ironed my hair. That was not what I was trying to do. I was trying to do a blowout and then curl my hair with the Flexi Rod, but I had purchased a blow dryer and it did not work out in my favor. So I took it back because I was like, this is not a good blow dryer. Like, it's just not working for my hair. So, and even when I put it on high heat, it did not work on my hair. So I was like, you know what, taking it back, and I'm just gonna flat iron it. So I had my flat iron, and now I am about to use these Flexi Rod curls. But before I do that, I need to clean these things. Like, these things can get dirty. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, you see that? Ew, what is that? Okay, so I'm using a towel to just wipe it down because it is dirty. And I think it was because I had used some, I don't know if I used some gel last time or what, and it just formed some flakes. But anyway, so we're just gonna curl it. Starting at the bottom, just to lock it in, and then we're just going to curl. I mean, you can literally like that, and then okay. Now, some of you who may have never used Flexi Rods may be thinking like, okay, is it hard to sleep on these things? And I would say not really. I would say it could be a little uncomfortable if you're using it for the first time, but it does have some cushion, so you can get a good night's rest out of it. But yeah, it's kind of like if you're not used to hair rollers on your hair, then it could be a little uncomfortable. You'd be like, I need to take these things out. But if you feel like, you know what, I can do this. I've had hair rollers in my head before. I know what it feels like. I can get some good rest. Then that will work out for you. And you can use a bonnet too. Like, you can use a hair bonnet, and that can kind of help you to get your good rest as well. So try not to apply anything too tight over your hair, especially around your edges, and that will help. So now I am just continuing the process of doing the Flexi Rods. Any type of hairstyle that you're doing, you always want to make sure that you wrap your hair up with a silk or satin wrap. But before you do that, do your hair the night before. Always prep your hair the night before. It's like prepping food. It's like marinating chicken or brisket or the goodness of that food, okay? It's like marinating some good meat. You want to prep your hair the night before because your hair the next morning is going to look beautiful, okay? Whether you're trying to do a twist out, whether you're trying to do the curly Flexi Rod hairstyle, whether you're trying to keep your hair straightened, if you're flat ironing your hair, you're going to wrap your hair up and then place a bonnet or a satin wrap over your head or a scarf. And then you want to take it down the next morning and you will reap the benefits of your hairstyle. But if you wait the day of and try to get that same result, it's not going to look the same, especially with a twist out or curls. If you want to wear your hair curly, it's not going to look the same because you didn't prep it the night before, okay? That is a tip that I want to share with you all. And so now I'm going to wrap my hair, and I don't have a bonnet, so I'm just using my satin wrap, which some people would call it a do-rag. And so I'm just using this to the best of my ability. And I'm going, you know what? I do have some satin pillowcases, so I really don't have to use this. But for extra protection, I do like to wrap my hair up at night, so just to keep it fresh. So today I am just taking it down, so I'm going to start at the back. Today is picture day, so decided to look extra fancy every once in a while. You want to look fancy every once in a while, you know? So, yes. I'm just taking my curls down. Okay. Now, I think my hair did get wet a little bit after I took a shower, but I did place a shower cap over my head, but it did not, I don't think it covered all of my hair, but so it did, I see a little frizz in the back, but that's okay. That's all right. I got some bobby pins to pin that down. And I'm gonna keep going. So I got this side done. These are my last two. All right, so this is what it looks like after taking my Flexi rods down, and then you can always like adjust it a little bit. You can switch to the side, you can move it around a little bit to adjust it to how you want it. I like this little side curly dude. Spicing it up a little bit, okay? I'm gonna just brush it just a tad bit. I really don't like to use a brush on my curls too much, but just gonna brush it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to pin it down. Okay, we are almost there. We are almost there. Okay. All right, so this is what my hair looks like after readjusting it, putting some bobby pins in it, holding my curls in place because sometimes my curls can fall down, which is fine. I like it when it falls, but if I'm trying to keep it in a certain position, it's good to use some bobby pins to hold your curls in place. So this is what the front looks like. Hey, this is what the back looks like. I didn't really do much in the back. I like the back, wanted to keep the back the same. I just kind of rearranged my curls in the front to shape it how I want it to be shaped. And this is the final result. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed this lovely video of the Flexi Rod curls. Please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights, as I will be posting every Wednesday at 3. Thank you all so much. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.